Hello guys, today we are going to do Minecraft challenge and welcome back to my channel. And the challenge is I can only go to creative mode in my survival world only 10 times. That's it. No more than 10 times. Ooh, saplings. Let's collect them. Okay, we got more. I just put it around here. Okay, let's get back to mining. Sorry guys if you hear noises. Sorry because yeah, it's a little bit loud in here. Okay, we are going to mine some wood. Okay. Today I'm going to make a tutorial to how to make glass. First things first, you grab sand and wood. After that, sorry guys. How is it so hard? Get me in. Ah! Sorry. Okay. You cannot make glass in the crafting table. You can make it in a furnace. Oh, I already have wood. Sorry. So let's just wait. What is that? Oh my god. Can I sleep? Okay. Well, let's just sleep during that time. Okay, done. I'm going to open my window. I guess this is not a window. This is like vents. Okay, I don't know. This is a window. This is the second floor. I haven't fully furniturized it yet. This is the balcony. Sorry guys, my house in Minecraft is a little bit boring. I'm trying to upgrade it, but I'm too lazy. No. This part, I guess. We got netherite armor and extras, and then we got like random tools I got during the time. And see, the glass is almost done. Very cool, right? So if you're wondering, we cannot create glass out of the crafting table. We can only create it in the furnace. This is what a furnace looks like. You guys should probably know what a furnace looks like. Oh my god, I'm very bored. Okay guys. Okay, the glass is done. Thank you guys. Goodbye.